This story was written by Miss Cooper and Miss Stevens classes, and it's called Pizza, Enchiladas, and Billionaires. Cheesy, cheesy island, cheesy, cheesy sand. Cheesy, cheesy island, cheesy, cheesy sand. Oh, I didn't see you there. Hey kids, it's me, Chef Andrew. You remember me. I worked in the cafeteria of Widén Elementary School on Crazy Cheese Island. I made enchiladas on Mondays and pizza on Tuesdays. They were delicioso. So, I bet you're wondering how I became a billionaire, living a life of luxury on the sandy cheese beach. Well, it all started one day. You see, I loved my job making food, and I loved the kids in my cafeteria. I thought they should get money on their lunch trays and Louis Vuitton chairs to sit on at lunch. You know, really level up the cafeteria. But my stove blew up. I know, I shouldn't have stuffed it with so much pizza. But it's not my fault it's so ancient and musty. So, since I didn't have an oven, I went outside where the sun was burning hot and decided to cook my specialties on the ground. I made edible diamond pizza and furry jacket enchiladas using my old family recipe. Number 1, put ketchup on the ground. Number 2, use a magnifying glass to make the sun even hotter. Number 3, place the pizza on a pan so it doesn't get dirty. And number 4, cook it. The grown-ups smelled my amazing food and bought up all my edible diamond pizza dippers. I'll take 12. Do you take Bitcoin? My kids are just so lucky to have you in their school making amazing food like this. And that's how Chef Andrew became Billionaire Chef Andrew. I bought the Louis Vuitton cafeteria chairs, and I still go back to Widén Elementary School every once in a while to give some kids money on their lunch trays. And when I'm not doing that, I'm singing my cheesy beach song. Right, now, where was I? Cheesy, cheesy island, cheesy, cheesy sand. 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 The end.